So getting ready to swap out the tow mirrors on this 2001 Chevy, is it Sierra, Rob?
Silverado.
Silverado. There's no badging on it.
3500.
It's a 3500. Really easy to do. My friend Rob here's got a busted mirror on the passenger side. So I'm going to swap out the whole assembly. He put a piece of glass on there, but it's not mirror glass. It looks terrible. And we'll show you what's involved with doing this. It's pretty easy to do. All right, so there's a triangle trim piece right here. And you can peel it off the hands, but I got a little trim tool right here. I'll put a link to these on Amazon in the description of Amazon. They're pretty cheap, and you can get behind it and pry the triangle out. And there's just a couple clips on there. So behind here, you're gonna see three 10mm bolts, and they hold the mirror on. So I'm gonna get my socket. I've got it hooked up to a drill. Make it real quick. There's one. There's a plug hanging out in here, and the factory must have wired it for different options. This truck just has manual mirrors. There's no heat, no turn signal, no anything. There's two. There's three. All right, let's go remove the mirror. We can go around the other side. Wow. Oop, there you go. This pulls right off. All right, here's the replacement passenger side mirror, and they give you new bolts. So I'm gonna unscrew these. There's three of them. They're 10mm also. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the description of this video over to the tow mirrors on Amazon. You can buy them right out of there. So you're gonna put the three studs back in the mirror holes, just like that. These are really easy to replace. And if you had the options, you just undo this wire right here, and it unclips right from the mirrors. There's usually a little clip on there. You pry the clip up, and you should be able to pull them out from the harness that's on the mirror. So let's tighten these up. All right, so you can do this with the socket and the ratchet. I'm going to use my drill right here. I've got it on the lowest torque setting. And I'll go after this one. And then you want to tuck your little wire harness back in here. Then line up your things right here, your clips. There's a little clip sticking out, so that's going to go right here. And you just push right back into place and snap in. And this is manual adjust on this mirror, so you got to push on the glass, and it immediately extends out and pushes in if you're towing something, so you can see around your camper. So the other side is done the exact same way. We're going to throw the other one on right now. It's the exact same procedure. And if you guys have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Thumb up the video if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take it easy, guys.